We invest in the isolated investing, whereby we try to catch certain opportunity at one time. Chances are our investment may be too concentrated into a certain asset class. Say for example, properties, say for example, China share, or say for example, technology share. That will make the whole portfolio to be very concentrated and very volatile. In order to make our portfolio to be more resilient, meaning that drop not so much and go up also moderate, the idea again is quite a boring principle, is to diversify your investment into different asset class to practice holistic investing. So for that matter, even though the market is very volatile, at certain sector, the other asset class that you have got will not be affected by this technology. Say for example, if I take Wickman's client's portfolio, we can see for the last 1.5 months, our client portfolio, I mentioned to you, is well diversified into more than 6 different asset classes. So far, one of the asset classes that has been going through quite a turbulent ups and downs is the technology sector, especially the US technology sector. But that is only maybe 10% or 5% of our total clients' asset. So there may be some volatility there, but the rest of the asset class is still either not affected or still doing better, still doing positive return to offset the downside of the technology or the US sector. So net, the portfolio is still resilient. EPF is now giving about 5-6% return. If you have got an investment opportunity, here of course in particular you're talking about unit trust investment that can give you 8% return. And I presume if you're talking to a licensed financial planner and targeting for 8% return, I would presume that should be a compounded return as well. So if you have got 8% compounded return compared to say 5 to 6 compounded return, of course 8% compounded return will be better. The alternative that you're looking for to achieve 8% compounded return, number one is that how much sales charge do they charge you? If they charge you 5%, 5.5%, that could be challenging for that unit trust consultant or advisor to help you to achieve compounded 8% return. That's number one. Number two, I would suggest you to evaluate that particular unit trust advisor or consultant to see what kind of investment strategy that he's using to achieve that 8% compounded return for you. Like what I mentioned just now, there is such thing called isolated investing. So isolated investing is not only practiced by consumer, by investor. Isolated investing is also advocated and practiced by unit trust consultant, financial planner, and some fund manager as well. So if they claim able to achieve this kind of return and they are using isolated investing, and you know that isolated investing it is quite uncertain, the result, then you may end up not getting 8%. But if your unit trust advisor is a practitioner who practice holistic investing, help you to build a diversified portfolio into a different asset class, selecting the best of breed of the fund, do a regular review to rebalancing it, help you to take profit along the way, then I believe that this approach to get your 8% annualized return or even higher than that is much more certain. If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.